Press the power button to display all LCD symbols. Check the code numbers on the bottle before inserting the test cartridge, and put the code chip into the chip port. Insert the test cartridge and check the flashing mark on the screen. Touch the blood sample with the tip of the capillary transfer tube. Press the end of the tube to draw the sample to the fill line. Apply blood into cartridges in your meter. Safely dispose of the used capillary transfer tube. Wait for 180 seconds and check your result along with date and time. Tests will be automatically stored in your meter. Pull down the used cartridges and quickly dispose of it.